So anybody that's been following my videos know I'm in the process of installing a stereo system in my Razor. When I bought my Rockford Fosgate head unit, there was a package where you could get the Wakeboard or Wake Tower speakers free with it. So the head unit itself, I forget the pricing now. I think it was $2.99 for the head unit, or you could get it with the Wakeboard speakers for $2.99. So I mean, that's absolutely free. So you're crazy not to get them, even if you don't want them on your Razor. I mean, I never really thought about having these on the back, in the way they look a little big and a little bulky. I haven't had them on the unit yet, but that's just the way I've always perceived it. But for free, I'm not going to turn it down. You had the choice between white or black. I obviously chose black. The white is more of a boat unit. These are made by Rockville. I did some research online. Rockville seems to be a decent company. I bought them online from a company called Audio Savings. It's an eBay store. And like I say, they were absolutely free. It made no difference. It might have made a little bit of a difference in shipping. I didn't really calculate that, but the shipping was reasonable anyways. They came from New York, and I'm in Canada, so I couldn't complain. So anyways, here's the box. They did come in a box within a box. There was like a plain brown cardboard box outside of this, just for protection. They arrived totally unscathed, so good job on shipping. I'm happy with that. So these are 6.5-inch two-way Wakeboard speakers, obviously designed for wet environments. Little side note, there is a video on the Rockville website where they take these units, I believe they're the 6.5, or the other unit is an 8-inch, and they literally drop them from like a 3-story building, trying to break them. And in the end, all they can do, like, they're just smashing the crap out of these things. And the only thing that ends up, it doesn't even break, but the grill pops off. They're very strong. The type of plastic is almost like a nylon-y plastic. Like, it's not a shatter type plastic. They look very good. The hardware seems good from the video. So we'll find out if they put their money where their mouth is when we open this up. Another picture of the unit. There you can see that it is the black ones that should be in here anyways. We'll find out. So it's a 6.5-inch two-way high-fidelity speaker system, fully marinized against salt and freshwater conditions, completely water and rust proof, steel reinforced nylon bracket, specially tuned for PA voiceover. I'm not using it for that. Tells you what the plastic is made out of. A high BL magnet, oversized voice coil, 4 ohms, 150 watt power capacity, 250 watts peak, built-in crossover network. There's your frequency response, 9-inch mounting depth. So it includes the speakers, the mounting brackets, grills, and hardware. All right, let's see. All right, so there's obviously a product warranty card. Oh, and mounting instructions. So obviously it's designed to mount to a roll bar or a ski pole on a boat, roll cage. From what I read, it will fit the diameter of the Razor, which I think is 1 3/4 inches. It'll fit it no problem. And they are black. That's good. Oh, geez. They're heavy too. Wow, these are solid. I don't know why everything just surprises me that it's so heavy. I think when you buy on eBay, you naturally think, oh, I'm getting junk, and for some reason I'm always skeptical of that stuff. But I know you guys can't tell weight, but man, these things are pretty solid. Not a bad looking speaker. I'm hoping to mount them if you're looking at the Razor from the front. Driver's seat here, passenger seat here. I'd like to mount the two of them between the seats. I don't really know if I want them overhead. I'm afraid my helmet banging off it, but we'll see. I'll go out and play around with it and see what happens. I noticed on the website, one of the things that they brag about is stainless steel hardware here, where the speaker wires clip in, which is good. Obviously my Razor does get wet now and then, and even if I kept it out of the rain and water and mud, you still have to wash it, so it's going to get wet. There's no doubt about it. There's your mounting brackets. Obviously the bolts seem a little over length. If they seem like they're sticking out too far, I might cut them down a little bit. just make it look a little prettier. There's rubber gaskets in here so it doesn't slip on the roll cage when you clamp it. The grill looks pretty solid. Yeah, they seem like a good unit. This strap, I believe, goes around the roll cage and you clip it back into itself. So if for some reason the bolts ever vibrated off, the idea is it would hang and that would kind of stop it from falling off. I don't know whether it really would or not, to be honest with you, but I get what they're trying to do anyways. The other one is identical. And that is what we have in the box. That's it. There you go, folks. There is the unboxing of the Rockville RWB65 wakeboard speakers. I'll keep you posted with installation videos as I get it done.